Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to configure company code in SAP MM. So to configure a company code, we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. From here, we need to go to enterprise structure. Then we need to go to definition, then financial accounting. Then we need to click this option, click copy, um, edit, copy, delete, check company code. We need to click this option. Then here you will receive two options. First one is copy, delete and check company code. Next is edit company code data. So to create a company code, first you need to click on the first option, then double click on it. Then it will show a screen like this. Here you can copy, here you can copy from an existing company code to a new company code. So for that option, you need to click on here, copy organization object. So when you click on this, it will read the tables that are associated with the existing company code. So it is reading the tables. It will take some time. You have to wait. Now here the options is from company code to company code. So here you have to put from which company code you want to create. You want to copy the organization structure or all the details like the GL accounts and all the things you need to copy. So here we can take our existing company T100 to company code T300. So here it shows a pop-up that's saying only copy GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts to the target company code as the source company code. Do you want to copy the GL account for GL account company code data? So you need to select yes, because we are copying the GL accounts. We need the GL accounts from the uh, from from the company code, from the source company code to the target company code. So now click on yes. Now there is an option showing us change in local currency. So the reference company code has a local currency of INR. If your currency is different, then you can select it yes. Otherwise, you can select as no. If we are making a company code in India only, so the local currency will be INR only. So we don't need to change anything. If we are copying from a company code that is outside from India, then we need to select this as yes, otherwise we are selecting as no. So here the information comes as certain data was not copied. This is okay, this is not a problem. So now the tables are being copied from the existing company code to the new company code. It will also take some time, you have to wait. So this is a request number for transporting the customization that we just done now. So we have to click this continue. So now there is a information says company code T100 copied to T300 without 60 number range objects. That is fine. That is not a problem. So click this continue. So here it says like T100 is our source company and company code T100 copied to 300. So now our copy thing has been done. Now we need to edit the company code data as we have copied from an existing company code. All the data, including the name description, will be copied to the new company code. So we need to edit the company code data. So let's see where is our company T300. So here you can see it's showing as Tata Motors from T100. It copied the data to T300. So now select this. Now go to details. So here you can change the name. So here we are putting the name as Tata Power. So we are keeping all the additional data as same. Then we need to click on this address button. Now here also we need to change the name. So here you can, in the search term, you can change it to power. Now we are keeping the street address and all the things same. If you need to change, you can change it. You can change it here. So we are clicking OK and copy. Now save this. So it will again create a transport request. Now click it OK. So now we have created a new company code. So this is how you can create a company code or copy a company code. So basically, company code is nothing but a chart of accounts or a set of GL accounts that you need to create for the financial entry. So that's why it's better to copy from one existing company code, like 1,000 company code. We need to copy existing from an existing company code to a new company code that we require. So this is how you can configure a company code. If you want to see the video how to configure the organization structure in SAP, so there is a video, you can watch it for. It will be in the I button. You can find it from there. Thank you and bye bye.